Yo guys, 900k free gems and gold in the Fate War game. This is not any hack or cheat, this is possible for real thanks to our sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. Firstly, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. Same thing applies for iPhone users. Then I go in the phone settings apps category and select the Fate War game. Here I tap on storage and then I tap on this clear cache button. For iOS devices, just make sure the background app refresh is turned on. Now I'm opening my game to show you how's the situation, and as you can see, not too great, but we are going to change that in a few moments. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the Fate War game to find it easier. I tap on start, and here I'm entering my user ID. You can find it in settings. Let me copy it here and I select Android. Then of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of gems and gold. As I've already mentioned guys, these resources are given by our sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it because this step is super easy, it's all free and it will only take you a few minutes to complete. Now let's go back to the game and see what happened. And oh my god guys, all the gems are here in my Fate War game. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. And this is all the goals I got too thanks to this method. Hope you guys enjoyed this method and please don't forget to hit that like button and even push the subscribe one if you wish. See you in the next one.